Part 3 of 3. 6 questions on RAG chunking. 15 seconds each. Pause if you want longer. What does the embedding model's max token length imply for chunk size? It's a hard ceiling, and going past it fails silently, which makes it genuinely dangerous. There's no error. Your chunk store happily shows the full text. But the vector was computed from only the first portion, so you're searching against something that doesn't match what you'll retrieve. Everything looks fine and retrieval is quietly broken. You changed your chunking strategy. What must you do? Reindex the whole corpus. A store holding chunks from two different strategies has vectors representing wildly different amounts of text, and the distances between them stop being comparable in any meaningful way. So every chunking experiment costs a full reindex. Worth knowing before you promise the experiment will take an afternoon. Why does chunking matter for citations? Because a chunk is a citation. You point users at what you retrieved, so if your boundaries are arbitrary, they click through and land mid-sentence in a fragment that doesn't obviously support what you just told them. Even when the answer is right. Clean boundaries aren't only a retrieval concern, they're what makes your citations survive being checked. What's a good reason to keep a whole short document as one chunk? Because it's already the right unit. A one-page FAQ answer, a short product description, a single support macro. These are coherent wholes that someone wrote as a whole. Splitting them purely because your pipeline splits things invents boundaries the document never had. Chunking is a tool for documents too big to retrieve intact. Not every document is. What is the relationship between chunking and re-ranking? Re-ranking fixes the order of what you found. It cannot conjure back what your chunking threw away. If the answer got split so that no single chunk actually contains it, then the re-ranker is carefully sorting a list where the right answer simply isn't present. It's a genuinely valuable component sitting downstream of a decision that already constrained it. What's the one-line summary of chunking? Chunk so that each piece could stand alone as an answer to a question someone might actually ask. That's the test, and you can apply it in 10 seconds. Read a chunk cold, with no surrounding context, and ask whether it makes sense and whether it could answer something. If yes, your boundaries are right. It doesn't matter which algorithm produced them. That's 20. If a few of those stung, good. That's the useful kind of stinging. The full chunking episode walks through every one of them properly, and the link is below. See you in the next quiz.